This is Saramonic's newest intercom system, the Saramonic WiTalk9, which has a lot of extra bells and whistles compared to others. It comes in a very simple packaging box, nothing fancy needed here, as what's more important is the case inside, as we get a really nice large hard case with everything inside, except it doesn't really have dividers inside, just pouches for each headset to prevent scratching. What I really like is the big charger that comes with this set, which means you can recharge all the batteries in one go. Though I only got 4 headsets, I actually gotten 8 batteries, which is really nice. The battery life of the remote units lasts about 15 hours and definitely enough for the entire day. The master headset lasts about 10 hours and might be the only one you might need to swap the battery midday. Recharging time of the batteries are about 3.5 hours and when they are fully depleted. Now to the headsets. Though there are many headsets on the market right now, Saramonic does stand out with a lot of differences. The first thing that you might notice is actually the earpiece. Instead of being fox leather, this is an aviation grade earpiece, which is much more comfortable. It also blocks out sound very well, but maybe a little bit too well, as I often don't hear the person talking to me from that side if they aren't wearing a headset also, which is either good or a bad thing depending on the situation. The main pro of the aviation grade earpiece is that it dissipates heat quite well, so you don't end up with a sweaty air compared to other earpieces. Another difference is that it got a proper volume dial, which I really prefer more over than having like the up and down volume buttons, as this is much faster and easier to set the volume to the one that I need. There's also a 3.5mm jack on the headset, which allows you to do multiple things. The WiTalk9, the number 9 actually stands for the amount of headsets that you can connect to, but there is a smart method that you can actually expand the amount via a cable, and it enables you to expand up to 30 headsets without purchasing a hub. Another use case is to monitor the sound. If the director wants to listen to the sound that is recorded, and they can monitor the audio from a monitor device and also use the headset to communicate with the team. Another feature of the 3.5mm jack on the WiTalk9 is that you can connect it with a cable to your laptop and actually use it in combination with like software of like the Zoom or other streaming software, and it enables you to have basically somebody who is off-site and remotely giving like instructions to your crew. So have like if your DOP or director is sick and need to be quarantined, they can remotely give instructions via a Zoom call, and basically have a different way of communicating over a large distance. And this is quite a interesting way of future-proofing. Something not visible but a very big improvement over other brands is that the WiTalk9 got an IPX5 rating, which means you can use it in rainy conditions without being afraid that it would break in the rain. But also there is an app for the WiTalk9, but I haven't really used it, but it mainly is for checking the battery on each headset. There's a push to talk button, but also probably in the future they would add even more functions on the app. Overall, having used the WiTalk9 in a real world condition, the sound is good, it's very comfortable to wear, especially also in hot conditions. I didn't feel like that my ear was getting really sweaty from it. Also, like there is no delay in the sound, or not very noticeable delay. We got a really awesome connection that it actually goes through multiple buildings and still got connection that we can talk with each other, while like other kinds of connections like Teradex or like video transmitters already lost connections. The battery life is just really good. Even like having used it for a whole day, I actually could use it for the second day without charging. And with the IPX5 rating, it really felt more comfortable working with it and just not being afraid that it would break while we're working outside in the rain. But also with a lot of features most of the features I haven't really touched upon working on a film set, because like not all the features are really always needed, but I can see a lot of the features being more future proofing, especially with like possible remote directing, and especially because we had like the COVID, that people might want to try to do things remotely. But that was mainly it talking about the WiTalk9. Hope you found this a useful video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.